Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 8, metallurgy. We all know all the substances around us, they all are found in the form of elements or in the compounds of the elements. So initially these elements are classified in three groups. First is metal, non-metal, and the last one is a metalloid. Definition of metal is the element which are having capacity, which are having tendency to lose the electron to any other element, they are known as a metal. And non-metal is the element which are having capacity to gain means lena, to gain the electron from other elements, they are known as non-metals. Metalloid is the element which are having both properties, metal as well as non-metal. That depends on the conditions. So in this lesson, first we are going to learn the properties of metal and non-metal, physical properties, then chemical properties. So we are going to start the physical properties of metal and non-metal. So first physical properties is this metal. Normally all the metals are found in a solid state at room temperature. Generally all the metals are solid, and non-metals are either solid or gaseous. Non-metals are either solid or a gaseous, and metals are solid. Second property is metals are having the properties of luster. Metals are having the properties of luster means the metals are having a shiny surface, चमकीला उनका surface चमकीला होता है. And non-metals do not having these properties, do not luster. Then the next properties is metals are having the property of ductility as well as malleability. Non-metals do not having these properties. They non-metals do not possesses ductility or malleability properties. Ductility means the element, the metal is converted into a thin wire by hammering, and malleability, metals are converting into a thin sheet. The definition of malleability and ductility, I will send you the picture of this. So the first property is metals are solid, non-metals either solid or gaseous. Second property is metals are luster, they do not have a luster. Metals are malleable, ductility and malleability properties. Non-metals do not having these properties. Then next properties is metals is all the metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity, and non-metals are the bad conductor. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Then they are having high melting point and boiling point, and non-metals having low melting point and boiling point. Understood? This is the comparison of metal and non-metal. You can write this point in the difference between also. Solid, either solid or gaseous. Luster, do not having luster. Ductility, malleability, good conductor of electricity. They are non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Metals having the properties of high melting point and boiling point. Non-metals have low melting point and boiling point. There is one more thing, sonority. Metals are having the properties of sonority, and non-metals do not having the properties of sonority. Sonority means metals produces a sound. Whenever you hit a metal with any other metals, they produces sound, but non-metal do not produces a sound. So here I will send you the definition of a ductility, malleability and sonority. That definition you have to write along with the metal, non-metal and metalloids. All these definition I will tell in the beginning of this video. Listen carefully and write it.